everyone. Um, I hope all of you enjoyed our Visma's annual Onam celebration, Visvaya Punnonam 2024. I have the honor and the tough challenge to thank all the folks that made this happen. And it's, we've got so many volunteers who helped us through the event. So I'm going to start with the folks that sponsored the Visma events across the picnic and Onam and Christmas. We have the Diamond sponsors, Best Brain, Indian Delight, Smita Baiju, Anaswara, Nawabi House, and Women for Women. Thank you. We have the premier sponsors, ISR Infoway, Triloka, True North, Best Food, and Deepthi Krishnan. And then we have the elite sponsors, India Garden, Amma's Food, and Gayatri Food. So a heartfelt thanks to them for helping us put all these things together, and please support them. The next set of people I want to thank are the participants. We know they've put their hearts and souls into what you saw today. Just absolutely wonderful performance. They've been practicing for months, and you see the quality and the level of performance that you saw today. So again, thank you and a big hand to the participants. And as you know, we can never pull off a event of this magnitude without the volunteers. I'm going to start with the folks that help with the sadhya, the pookalam, the decorations, stage management, console, curtains, photography, videography, and most importantly, cleaning, because that, without that, it doesn't happen. So again, please, a big hand for all of the folks that volunteered to make this happen. And this year, our team put together a very interesting event for the kids, Poo Parachal. So that happened at a couple of homes in Milwaukee and in Madison. So thank you for the families that let us use their garden to let our kids go and pluck flowers. And that's what you see in the pookalam up front. So again, thank you to the families that did that. And I promise just a couple more before we head out to chai and snacks. But I also want to thank the caterers who put together a wonderful, wonderful lunch for us, sadhya for us, very authentic, Royal Grocers. And again, I know sadhya is the most anticipated part of the annual Onam celebration. So again, thank you to them for making this happen. The next set of people that I want to thank are the Pewaukee High School, the admins there, and then I want to give a very heartfelt thanks to James and his team who are back there and been helping us all along. I believe they've been doing this for us since 2013. So again, thank you for being very grateful for it, and we look forward to using your facilities and having fun. So thank you again. A couple of quick thank yous to the committee and their families for spending the time putting this together. It obviously, as you can imagine, takes a lot of effort. And then they had the past committees and the immediately prior committee who spent a lot of time advising them and us, helping us get through some tough decisions sometimes. But again, a lot of work went in that. So thank you, committee and the past committees for your support and help. And last but not least, thank you to the Visma families. Without you sitting here, without you supporting us, without you coming to these events, without you let your kids participate in these events, this would not happen. And it helps us relive our memories that we grew up with, and hopefully make some of them for the next generation, right, as they grow up, and hopefully do something similar as they grow up. So again, thank you to the Visma families for making this happen. and let's go enjoy chai and this thing before I think there's one last program. Thank you, everyone.